Hi, this is Dave from Pneumatic Equipment. Today I'm just doing a short video on a TOS FO6 hobbing machine. So I've taken one of the covers off so you can see where all the change gears go. I'll just run through and show the machine running. So you can see the hob's rotating, the table's rotating. I'll just do a bit of a walk around. Other side of the machine, and it comes with a stillage full of change gears and some arbors. I'm not an expert on these machines, so I don't know too much about them, but I can see that if I engage this lever and engage this shaft, which in turn drives the hobbing head across, which is all working. I'll just stop the machine and change the speed. So I'll just put it into a different speed and start the machine again. It's a different speed. Okay. And again I'll change, that's the lower sort of speeds I think, so I'll just put it into higher speed. Oh, it's not actually in, I'll just wait for it to slow down. No, it should be in gear now. So it's a little noisy when you run it in the higher speed. Let's put it back down to the lower range again. Well, I think that's just gear noising rather than anything too bad. So that's back in the lower speed. Yep. Okay. Now it's got other levers, but I'm not 100% sure what this lever or that lever does. I can see that it's got two other lead screws, these two. And I believe what that does is actually feed the old head in and out. I haven't been managed to work out how you actually engage any of that. So that's about it.